So ilang beses na ba kayo nagyayayaan na mag-party by the beach nang hindi matuloy-tuloy? Naku, baka dito makulayan na sa wakas yung drawing nyo kasi sa Angeles City lang to. Sobrang ganda ng vibes, merong mga lanterns, very soon magkakaroon din ng mga villa at ang sarap pa nung food na sineserve nila. Hindi lang siya hangout spot na pangbarkada pero pwedeng-pwede rin sa mga family. This is Club Hiraya located sa Hanin Town sa Barangay Kuwayan, Angeles City. Open Tuesdays to Sundays from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. Nung nagpunta kami dito, ang dami naming kasabay na family, mga nagsiselebrate ng birthday kasama yung mga lolo, lola, pati yung mga kids. They serve different types of cocktails and mocktails at wag ka, yung menu nila hindi rin basta-basta. Ang dami mong pagpipilian. Merong pasta, rice meal, salad, seafood, and more. Ang kinaganda pa dito para sa mga customers nilang nagda-dine in, pwede rin kayo mag-swimming. At saka napaka-cool nung swimming pool nila kasi merong stage sa gitna. So eto na yung mga order natin at uunahin natin itong hot and sour soup. This is a Chinese-style thick soup na maraming mushrooms at meron ding tofu. Panalo rin itong pomelo salad with coconut dressing na merong extra crunch from the crispy onions. Ito naman yung creamy smoked carbonara, good for sharing na yung serving size. Marami siyang bacon and mushroom and that smoky flavor really goes so well with the creamy white sauce. At dahil mahilig sa seafood ang pamangkin, syempre pinagbigyan natin yan. Nag-order tayo ng shrimp thermidor. These are cheesy, creamy baked shrimp. Siguro nakaapat siya dyan. Up next, we're having chili lime chicken wings. They're crispy, citrusy with a hint of sweetness. Pwedeng-pwede yan mapa-appetizer or mapa-ulam sa rice. Must order itong kanilang lechon baka. It has good proportions of meat and fat, ang lambot ng baka at may kasama ring special sauce. Very exciting itong salmon tartare. It's raw salmon with citrus, herbs, pickled onions, and served in a crispy wonton cup. Kung may mga kasama kayong picky eater, pizza never fails. This is their cheesy, thin crust pepperoni pizza, probably better than some of the famous brands out there. Ito naman yung mango habanero chicken that's smoky with that fruity mango barbecue sauce. The chicken is juicy and cooked really nicely. I just wish na mas maanghang pa since mango habanero yung tawag. Ito naman yung hoisin barbecue ribs that's sweet and savory and served with coleslaw and mashed potato on the side. Sana mas tender pa ng konting-konti na lang pero yung lasa solid. And lastly, we're having one whole seafood Cajun platter. Yung sauce pa lang ulam na. Medyo may anghang din to pero kahit na ganon, etong maliit lumalaban pa rin kasi pag nakakita yan ng hipon tsaka tahong hindi makatanggi. At para naman dun sa mga gustong pumarty pero hindi umiinom ng alcoholic drinks, masasarap yung mga mocktails nila dito. So alam nyo na, yung mga hindi matuloy-tuloy na trip to LU or Boracay para pumarty sa beach, dito nyo na lang planuhin para matuloy na yan.